Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our chapter 4 practice set 19. Hope you must have practiced till practice set 18. Today let us begin with practice set 19. They are asking draw the pair of angles as described below. If that is not possible, say why. Here some angles we have to draw. If we can't draw, then we have to give the reason also why it is not possible. So before that, let me explain you some concept of angles in linear pair. See children, adjacent angles we already discussed. uh, these I have drawn angle ABC and angle CBD. They are adjacent angles. Why? Because they have this common arm. We already done this in practice set 15. They have common arm and they have common arm BC and they have one common vertex B and their interiors are separate. This is one angle and this is another angle. Their interiors are totally separate. Then that angles are called as adjacent angles. We have seen this. Then in this we have to see one more angles in a linear pair are what children? Angles in linear pair, their total is 180 degree. Just remember this, it may can come in your exam. The sum of measures of angles in a linear pair is how much? It is 180 degree. But how to identify whether that angles are in linear pair? See, this is one line. On that line, this is line PQS. On that I have drawn this ray. Because of this ray, again we are getting two adjacent angles. One is angle RQS and one is angle PQR or RQS. So these two angles we are getting on this line. So these angles, angle PQR and angle RQS, they are adjacent also because they have one common arm and one common vertex. So they are adjacent also. And children, they are supplementary because on a straight line, if we add these two angles, their total is always supplementary. We have seen the total of two angles is 180 degree. If this angle is say 70 degree and this angle is 110, so their total will be what? 180 degrees. So angles in a linear pair is always 180 degrees. So remember that one thing. First of all, the angles, they are adjacent angles. They are supplementary because the total of these two angles will be 180 degree. That only the sum of measures of angles in a linear pair is always 180 degrees. So you can identify them when they are on a straight line and these two angles are formed. Okay, and these two are opposite rays, QP and QS, and one arm is common, that is ray QR. So these two adjacent angles and they are supplementary and their total, supplementary means their total is 180 degrees. So they are angles in linear pair. And we have seen about complementary angles also. Complementary means the two angles whose total is how much? 90 degrees. Supplementary means the total of two angles whose total is how much? 180 degree. Now angles in linear pair also, on a straight line, if two adjacent angles are formed, they are called as angles in linear pair and their total is also 180 degree. That means angles in linear pairs are always supplementary and they are adjacent. Remember these two very important angles in a linear pair. So let us begin practice set 19 based on this. See here children, practice set 19. Let us start then. Draw the pair of angles. We have to draw. First one, they have told us complementary angles that are not adjacent. Complementary means what? Whose total is 90 degree. So we have to draw 90 degree angles because their total should come 90 degree. But that angles such that they are not adjacent. Adjacent means we can't draw them like this together. So means we have to draw them separately. So we can draw two angles whose total is how much coming? 90 degree because they are complementary. So let us draw. So total 90 degree means you can draw 60 or 30 also you can take. You can take 70 or 20. You can take 45 or 45. Any two angles whose total is 90 degree. That means they are complementary. So we can draw any. So I am drawing 60 and 30. So one angle I am drawing 60 degree. So let us take one baseline. On this I will place the protractor. I am drawing 60 degree first. So I will place the protractor over here. I'll mark 60 degree from this side. There, here it is 60 degree. So this angle I have drawn is of 60 degree. Let us name it ABC. One more angle I have to draw of 30 degree. Place your protractor over here. 30 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30. Let us name this also DEF. This angle I have drawn is of 30 degree. This angle is of 60 degree. So see here, these are complementary now because the total is 90 degree. 60 and 30 makes 90 degree, and they are not adjacent also. Are they adjacent? No, they are separately we have drawn. We have not drawn them like this together. One is 60 and one is 30. So they are adjacent, but we don't want them adjacent, so we drawn them separately. They are complementary also because their total is 90 degree. So let us move to the second sum. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Children, we have seen the property just now. Angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair is always supplementary. We have seen that because their total is 180 degree. So we cannot draw such angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. So this is not possible for us to draw. So we'll write here answer. This is not possible to draw. What is the reason? This is not possible. Reason we will write because angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Supplementary means their total is always 180 degree. That is why we cannot draw such angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. So we have given the reason angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. That is why we cannot draw such angles. So second one is finished. Let's move to the third one. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. We have to again draw complementary angles. Complementary angles means whose total is two angles whose total is 90 degree, and they do not form a linear pair. Linear pair angles we have seen how they are. They are adjacent to each other. They are on a straight line. So we do not want to draw them like this. So we can draw them separate because they do not want to form a linear pair. So again we can draw complementary angle whose total is 90 degree, but they should be separate. So we have to draw separate. So separately you can take it again 50 or 40. You can take one angle you can take 60 and 30, any you take, but whose total should be 90 because again they are complementary. So we have to draw them separately only. So again I am taking, now I am drawing 50 and 40. So one angle I will draw 50 degree. So I will draw the baseline, any measurement, place your protractor. We are drawing a 50 degree. So from here 50 degree, let us mark. This angle will be drawn of 50 degree. Draw its give its name ABC. This is 50 degree. Another angle we will draw of 40 degree because they are complementary. Place your protractor here. 40 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is of 40 degree. So we have drawn now this third one. Complementary angles. Why? Because their total is 90 degree. They are complementary and they are not forming a linear pair. So we have drawn them separately. So third one is done. Let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one is adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. We have seen children how to draw adjacent angles. I have shown you. These are the adjacent angles. And they should not form a linear pair. So we can't draw them like this. They are also adjacent, but we can't show them on a straight line. We have to draw adjacent angles but which are not in linear pair. So we'll not draw like this. We'll draw like this. So they are adjacent also and they are not in a linear form also. So we'll draw like this. Adjacent angles So this one is ABC, this is one angle, and this one is another angle, just name it CBD. So these both are adjacent angles. Why? Because they have this common arm, they have this common vertex, okay, and their interiors are separate. So angle ABC and angle CBD are adjacent angles, but they are not forming a linear pair because they are not coming on a straight line. So these are adjacent angles, angle ABC and angle CBD. So we have done with the fourth question. Let's move to the fifth question. Fifth one, angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Children, we don't want they should be adjacent also like this, and we don't want they to be complementary also. Complementary means their total should not come 90 degree. So we have to draw them separate only because we don't want them to show adjacent also. So any two angles we will show, but they should not be complementary. Complementary means their total should not come 90 degrees. So we can take one angle we can draw 50 or 40. 50 or 40 is 90, but we don't want 90 to come because they don't form complementary. So we can take 110 and one we can show it as 60. So 110 or 60 is 170. So that neither they are complementary, neither they are supplementary, nor they are adjacent. So any two angles you can draw whose measure is neither 90, neither supplementary, complementary, or neither they are adjacent. So we are showing them separately like this. Any measurement you can take it. So I am taking one as 110 and one is I'm taking 60 degree. So let's begin. 110 is obtuse angle. So I'll place my protector over here. From this 0 if you look, 90, 100, 110 is here. So let's name it ABC. Its measure was 110. Now any other you can take of your choice. I am taking it as 60 degree. Place your protractor 60 degrees here. Let's name it DEF. This one is 60 degree. So these are the two angles. They are neither complementary, means their total is not coming 90 degree, neither they are adjacent. Adjacent means they are not, their interiors are completely, sorry, they do not have common arm, they do not have a common vertex, they are completely separately drawn. So they are neither adjacent, neither they are complementary. So we have done with the fifth question. Let's move to the sixth one. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Children, we have to draw angles in a linear pair which are complementary, but we learned the property that angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Their total is 180 degree. So we cannot draw such angles in a linear pair which are complementary. So again we have to write the answer. This is not possible. This is not possible. We will write the reason for that. We have seen the property that angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. They are not complementary. So we cannot draw. So we will write angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Angles in a linear pair are always supplementary. Supplementary means whose total is 180 degrees. So we cannot draw such angles whose measures are 90 degree coming. So we have ended with our all 6 sums of practice set 19. Practice this in your notebook very well. In the next video I will upload practice set 20.